Welcome back to Fast Stock Market News, where I give you all the news as fast as I can. So we can see today was a pretty choppy day in the market. The Dow, the S&P 500 finishing negative 0.63 in the red. The Dow finishing negative 0.67 in the red. The Nasdaq, actually the biggest winner, finishing negative 0.41 in the red, and the Russell, the biggest loser, finishing negative 0.8 in the red. So, and the thing about the Russell is the reason that actually it was the least performing one out of all the indexes, and something of the things that are driving the market today is basically zombie companies that are being like touted right now as the Fed continues to raise interest rates. Zombie companies such as the meme stock companies like AMC, GME, cannabis plays too, they're going to start having issues paying back their debt. A lot of these companies basically only function only by like paying off interest, and with interest rates going up and higher, it's seen that a lot of people are seeing that these companies could potentially go bankrupt. So that's something that's been causing a lot of volatility today. But the other big catalyst today was basically Joe Biden meeting with Jerome Powell, basically trying to have an agenda of how they're going to deal with inflation, and overall just trying to find a solution, especially with the gas prices. But the biggest issue is the gas issue is going to be even bigger because the U.S. gas prices to spike after Europe partially blocks Putin's oil. This is a huge deal. A lot of us in America are basically having $4 or $5 gasoline right now, and if you're in California, you're probably $6-7 at least at this point. But Europe, as it stands right now, their gas prices during this war, and especially after they're blocking Putin's oil, is already at about $8 to $9, and it's seen that you could see $10 per gallon gas in Europe, and that could possibly trickle over to the United States. But as I mentioned, the biggest story of the day was the meeting with President Biden and Jerome Powell, and let's take a look how that went.
Let's listen in.
I'm meeting with Chairman today and Secretary Yellen to discuss my top priority, and that is addressing inflation and in order to transition from historic recovery to a steady growth that works for American families. Excuse me. And my plan is to address inflation. It starts with a simple proposition: respect the Fed, respect the Fed's independence, which I have done and will continue to do. My job as president is not to not only nominate highly qualified individuals for that institution, but to give them the space they need to do their job. I'm not going to interfere with their critically important work. The Fed has dual responsibilities: one, full employment; two, stable prices. Chair Powell and other leaders of the Fed have noted at this moment they have a laser focus on addressing inflation, just like I am. And with a larger complement of board members now confirmed, I know we'll use those tools of monetary policy to address the rising prices for the American people. So I look forward to Chairman Powell's continued leadership at the Fed, and I look forward to the Senate considering my final nominee to the board, Michael Barr, in the near future. And that's why we're meeting, folks, and thank you for coming in.
There you have it, guys, the biggest news driving the market today. Thanks again for watching the channel, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Take care, everyone. Thanks again, everyone, for watching Fast Stock Market News. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing, commenting, or liking the video. I would greatly appreciate it. My name is Gio, and I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Take care.